Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome to a new collaboration that I'm doing with Crafty Cat Incorporated called Her Take. We will be posting videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it'll be different videos on different things. So the concept is we have chosen some things to do and put our spin on it, our take on there. So the first one we are doing is an altered purse or a Halloween paper purse inspired by May Made It. All links will be in the description box. May's purse tutorial, as well as Crafty Cat Incorporated. So let me share with you what I created. Made this little spider web handbag, right? So cute. And I think that if I do decide to gift this to someone, I will put in some purple tissue as well, and a few little card bases, some small card bases, and a few embellishments. Now, when you watch May's video, if you haven't already seen it, you notice she did a lot more embellishing than I did. She put some a tag on hers and things like that. I wanted mine to be kind of simple, considering it's a Halloween little handbag. So I wanted it to be like a statement handbag. You know, when you walk in the room, you say, "Oh my goodness, whose purse is that?" I'm sure you have one in your collection if you collect purses like I do. Anyway, and what I have holding this thing down right now is some double-sided tape, because I had repositional dot tape and it was not working for me. It was driving me bananas. So I'll just go over it really quickly. I use white and black spiderweb paper, and then I use black and white spiderweb paper for the handles and the flap. And then I just put on some purple buttons, and I put these buttons upside down. Thought that would be a little bit different. And I just use one right here, and on the back it looks like this, and I distress the edges just a little bit with purple distress ink. I think that one is drying out. And then I made this one. I love this one a lot. I love all the colors. It just screams Halloween, right? And so we can see how this one opens up just like that, empty on the inside. But I do plan on, if I gift this one as well, I'll put probably some orange tissue paper in there with some card bases and some few embellishments, or even candy. We'll see. And so this is a purple and green, a purple pattern with like green diamonds, and then we have green with spiders, and then I put some little orange buttons on there. If you hear the noise in the background, it is raining here finally. Yay for rain. Anyway, go over and check out Crafty Cat Incorporated's creation. I'm quite sure she created something marvelous. Until Wednesday, happy crafting.